Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it's going to be a good one because I asked you guys a while back, what is the best way that I can get my supercharger wind to actually pick up on camera as much as possible? And I think I got the solution. Let's go. Alright you guys, so I am holding this bad boy right here in my hand that I feel could possibly do the job, and I'm gonna make sure that I leave the link in the description where you guys could get this for your GoPro. It's this cover right here that's on the GoPro. This is the Hero 7, so I'm looking at getting the newest one soon. I think the 11 is coming out, but what I'm gonna do is get straight to the point. I'm gonna put this, I feel like, somewhere on the front of the car, and I'm gonna mount it there and get some clips real quick before I get to the gym, because I'm actually going to the gym right now and I wanted to make sure that I recorded this for you guys. And of course, as many of you know, we gotta give this thing a cold start. guys, hopefully that picked up that sound using that cover that's on the GoPro. It's like a little muffled cover that's on the GoPro. I'm really anxious to see what it actually sounds like. So by this time, I've already heard it because I've edited the video. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed that little clip right there, straight to the point, showing you guys exactly what it sounds like with that cover on there. And maybe next time we'll move it up close, a little bit closer to the actual front of the, maybe connect it just on the front bumper, right in front of the opening of the hood. So we'll see how that goes, but hopefully this came out good. If it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and of course I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. And if you haven't seen my recent video with other POV, I'll leave the card up top and we'll go from there. I appreciate all the love and support, all the subscribers, all the views. It's out the roof. I love it, you guys. It's my dream, and I'm grateful that I'm able to deliver to you guys. I'll holler at you guys on the next one. In the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla. Bow, Superman, chilling in the car, prep time, chilling in the garage, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.